Hello, my name is Sammarelli. I'm going to be teaching you some adaptive boxing. The classes are for everyone. I teach people that can't use their hands, their arms, who have MS, able-bodied, adaptive, wheelchair or not. Anyone and everyone can benefit from this class. I've thrown a bunch of vital movements into this full-bodied workout. Core strength, stretching, breathing, cardiovascular. You're also tackling a large range of motions from different sports, from swimming to arm cycling, anything upper body, it's there for you. I'm not in charge, you're the one in charge. You're the one doing the work. You're the one throwing the punches. I'm just in front of you, showing you what you can do. I hope you give my class a try and adapt it to what you need to work on, but also leave with something, living a healthier lifestyle. Looking forward to seeing you guys in class.